welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're doing something a little bit different. We popped into Newbury Garden Show yesterday, which was the 11th of April. So the garden show runs each year and it's usually in April over the weekend. So it was the 11th and today the 12th when I'm doing this voiceover. So it's a very short video because the weather was not nice. It was rainy, it was windy, and we were super cold. But as you can see, if you ever been to London Olympia, their home expo show, this is something very similar but in smaller scale. And also it was garden show and dog show at the same place, which we absolutely love dogs, so we enjoyed both shows. I didn't film very much of the dog show because it just didn't feel right, and also my battery on my camera died and then my phone died. That's why this video is quite short, so I hope that you stick to the end and let me know if you've ever been to any garden show or any home show. I believe that we paid like £16 for 2 tickets, so roughly £8 a ticket, which I think is a great price, especially these days. And let me tell you, if we had a house and a garden, I would have spent my whole salary there, because all the plants, all the decor for your garden, and there was a stand which had items for only £5. Almost everything was £5. I managed to grab a lantern for £1, but I'm going far ahead. Right now we are looking at this beautiful stand, and they had so many beautiful things. They had like decoration made out of wood, which I really appreciate, because I think that wood is just such a beautiful material to work with and have in your home. I mean, look at these sculptures, they were so beautiful, and I believe that the one on the bottom left is the bad guy from Pirates of the Caribbean. Let me know if you recognize anything else. Also owls, I absolutely love owls. They also had these small plants which you can plant in your plant pots, also in your home if you don't have a garden or a balcony, but also you can take them to your allotment plots. They also have these little small trees and bushes, and I think that the prices were very reasonable. So let me know, what do you think about the pricing, and let me know how are you. I miss talking to you so much, you guys. I'm finally getting better. I was sick for nearly 3 weeks, so I didn't have the energy to go out and film, and I'm so sorry. I mean, look at this beautiful house. I'm just going here, there, and everywhere because I'm all over the place, and I'm so sorry. Also, they have these beautiful succulents and cacti. Let me know if you have any cacti. I did, but I mean, they died. I did water them like once a month, but they still died anyway. I don't know what I did wrong. Maybe because they were by the window and I opened the window. Anywho, they also had these plants, so it was £2 each. And also, if you would buy more plants at certain stands, you would get a better price, because of course they're trying to sell as much as possible. Oh, and here's one doggy. They also had, I mean, look at the beautiful colors. If you have a garden, I'm so envious of you, because I wish I could just go in the soil, and like, it's so therapeutic for me to work with soil. I also like that at places like this, at these garden shows or any other expo, you see products that you don't usually see at your local store. I mean, look at this booth that has so many beautiful like antique or vintage look like pieces for your home and for your garden, and I think that they were very reasonably priced as well, because I think that they used to charge like the booths at these shows so much, but I think that the price has dropped, which is very good. And I mean, it's good for our pocket. I also loved these like doors for fairies. If you are someone who likes these things, this is something you can easily do at home as well. But if you don't have the time, the energy, or you can't just be bothered, you can totally buy them as well. And I did spot this plant pot, which I bought from B&M. It was £2 and here is for £5.50. So I'm not calling them out. I'm just letting you know that maybe they did buy them from there, or maybe they just shared a supplier. Who knows? They also had these bees which can be put on a wall, and I liked how they put a lot of them, so you can see how it looks like a little beehive. Also, I'm sucker for these like little houses for eggs and teas, and they had a lot of the wooden house decoration and also stoneware houses, and I just loved this booth so much. They had beautiful home decor, something that I had never seen before, or it's just like, you know, something that you see on the online home decor shops, and this one was there. It was there right in front of my eyes, and I think this one is the one that I spent the most time. As you can see, I have so many clips. And also, I like these apples. They were £2 each, and I believe they had lemons or limes as well. And it'll be perfect if you have a glass bowl or even a marble bowl, wooden bowl, and you can keep them all year around. If you are someone who likes to decor with color and also fruit, yes, you can see they have so many houses. You can totally make your own village, and if you have a beach house, they have this ocean sign and lighthouse and just so many beautiful things. So let me know what caught your eye, and do you like these knickknacks? Do you decorate with these products at your home, or do you think they're just a dust catcher? I also like this pantry sign. I do have a pantry sign, so I was like, you don't need another one. Also, I mean, look at it again, and they just had so many beautiful things. And what I also did is that I shared some of them. I took a couple of photos on my phone before my phone died, and I posted it on my Instagram story. So if you're not following me on Instagram, I would love for you to be friends over there as well. I mainly post on my stories, and this is the booth that I was talking at the beginning of today's video. You guys, the men had amazing prices. This is the booth that I would spend most of my money, no doubt, if we had a garden and a house, because as you saw, there was like, usually it's £3 or £5. I absolutely loved this owl. She was only £5, you guys, and this is the dog show. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next one. Bye friends.